We all know the high watermark of traditional strategic planning. It's that moment when weeks of market research and competitor matrices are bound into a 50-page dossier, approved, and dropped onto the boardroom table. But the week it gets approved is usually the last time anyone actually reads it. By Monday, that massive deck gets filed away in a shared drive 3 clicks deep, where it sits untouched for the rest of the quarter. Marketing teams usually have plenty of talent and a surplus of good ideas. They simply lack a daily view of the plan. When team members cannot see the strategy, they execute based on whatever feels urgent that morning. A 50-page document built to impress a boardroom cannot run a quarter. That is an archive, not an operating strategy. Once the plan is out of sight, execution becomes reactive. The industry calls this random acts of marketing. Without a visible filter, teams might launch a sudden campaign because a competitor did, or scramble to reallocate the budget based on a single passing question from an executive. Fixing this requires isolating the noise by collapsing the entire commercial direction into a single, highly visible document known as the SOAP, the digital strategy on a page. Stripping away the paper bloat forces the team's focus onto one readable sheet. That daily visibility prevents disconnected execution from draining good budgets and producing mediocre pipeline. Building a SOAP requires a specific sequence. Before a single tactical idea gets written down, 2 absolute elements must sit at the top of the document to act as filters. First is the commercial marketing objective. This must be a single, specific number marketing delivers, like adding $2 million in pipeline. Without a number, it's a wish. Second is brand purpose. Placed beside the target, this states why the company exists in language the team can repeat. Together, these 2 elements form a gatekeeper. When a new campaign idea surfaces mid-quarter, it must serve the numbers and the purpose, or it gets rejected. Strategy collapses when it tries to act on every good idea at once. The middle of the page must set strict operational boundaries. Before writing down any tasks, the team must run an honest audit of their market position. This means mapping out exactly where the brand is strong, where it is exposed, and where the market has left an opening. These audit findings dictate your strategic pillars. To maintain focus, you are limited to a maximum of 4 themes that capture exactly where you will concentrate your firepower this period. Discipline at this stage means rejecting a 5th or 6th good idea to keep resources concentrated. Anything that doesn't fit into these columns waits for the next planning cycle. These pillars serve as the boundary lines. They ensure the team only attacks the most valuable targets instead of spreading resources thin across too many initiatives. A strategic pillar without an action layer is just another useless slide. The bottom of the page turns those pillars into a functional engine. Under each pillar, we start by naming a concrete job to be done, like ranking in the top 3 for high-intent keywords. Immediately below that, you list the exact barriers standing in your way, like a broken handoff between sales and marketing. Next, you define the specific digital activity to break them down. Finally, lock in the KPI proving it worked. By stepping from a goal to a specific barrier, and then to a required activity, the strategy loses its ambiguity. You now have a concrete task that is ready to be assigned to a specific person. This execution layer creates an unbroken link between a Monday morning task and the commercial objective at the top of the page. Even a perfect SOAP is useless if it lives in a shared digital drive. To change behavior, it must move out of the digital ether. Print the document and pin it to the wall in the space where your team does their daily work. Share this single sheet of paper with every person who touches a marketing budget. When everyone from copywriters to sales leads see the same priorities, you eliminate departmental ambiguity. A strategic framework can only alter a team's behavior when it sits directly in their line of sight every day. Marketing strategy is not a static document reviewed once a year. The SOAP functions as a living scoreboard. You rewrite the page the moment a milestone is hit, a KPI is missed, or a new market barrier appears. Using this ever-present filter allows a team to shut down random acts of marketing before they consume the budget. Trading a hidden presentation deck for a single page on the wall transforms the strategy from a static archive into a daily operation.